Good. Hi, this is Will from Nutley Kia. I'm going to be showing you a 2016 Kia Sportage LX. Extremely clean exterior, very nice, beautiful silver paint. Low mileage, only got 19,000 miles on it. In here you have downhill braking assist, power door locks, power windows, Tiptronics, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth, Sirius. Very spacious back seat. You got vents back there, a lot of leg room. And then of course you got a lot of storage in the back. You got this weathered mat if anything gets dirty. These seats go down if you have to fit anything larger in here. If you're looking for a great deal on a 2016 Kia Sportage, come down to Nutley Kia and see Will.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.